Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I am Ruth Cascayan Maltesu, 32 years old, married. My height is 157 cm and my weight is 63 kilo. I am a Roman Catholic. I have two daughters, 14 years old and 3 years old. I am a high school graduate. Ma'am and Sir, I am a first-timer at work in Hong Kong, but I have experience at 5 years in the Philippines. They have 5 members at the family, the couple, and the 3 children. Age, 2 years old girl, 7 years old girl, and 9-year-old boy. I am all around cleaning, ironing, marketing, and take care of their 3 children. And also, I have experienced the newborn baby through my daughter, year 2021 up to present. I am an honest person, responsible, trustworthy, hardworking, and quiet learner. Thank you, Mom, and God bless.